Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show you my one of the previous project which I have done in my career. And this is an e-commerce platform which I have developed 1 year ago probably. And at that spot I was fully focused on backend, and that's why its UI is not so good. Actually, it is kind of ugly. Anyways, let's just don't waste our time and start. Login, and let's we put our login credentials, and you can see now we are logged in. So since it's just a simple user, it does not have uh, it do not have privileges like a staff user or a super user. That's why he can see just few of things in its navbar. There is a product list page which is quite empty right now, and there is a profile page which he can edit his profile from here, and there is a shop page. Now in case he want to start selling his products, so he can just fill out this form and send to the admin. The admin will review his form, and if he impress, he will um, approve that. Then this user will get a shop profile view. Otherwise, if he reject, he won't be able to sell products on this platform. Let me show you and start filling this form. Okay, so this portion is about the shop details. The user have to put the shop title and the shop category and the shop address. Let's just put submit. Now, after submitting that form, now you will redirect to uh, the form detail page where you can see the details which you have sent to the admin, and these are the details. In case you send something wrong, you can just update. In my case, I'm going to add extra zero here and submit. Now I will go to the admin side and review this request, the shop request, the MADI, and I will go through this, and this is all okay, and I'm going to approve this and save it. I will go back here. Now that is approved, if I go back the shop, sorry, once again, I will get the shop profile and with the name, subscriber, and the address whatever we added, and the customer count and the favorite customer and the product count. Let me go back. Now you can see there the amount of things in the navbar also increased. Now we have the sale product as well. uh, since we have a shop, now we can start selling things. Let's create, go to the product list, and you can see there is a button from where we can create a new product, or we can go to the sale product and start composing. Okay, so we have composed our first post. Let's just submit, and you can see the product owner name and the product image and the product title and the product description. Since I'm the owner of this product, I can delete and update it. And if I go to the product list, I will see here, and these button also. Let's just log out from this user and log in with another user. If I go to the product list, I will see only the view stuff. Let I click here, I can see the product owner. If I click here, I will redirect to the product shop, owner shop, which is subscriber. And I will Now add to this cart, and here you can see the cart number is increased 0 to 1, and you can see that the order summary. In case we want to increase the amount of products, we can do that easily, and decrease as well. And you can see this item quantity was updated and this product quantity was updated and so on. Okay, let's just go to proceed the checkout. And if we have a coupon, we can just get discount by using that. In my case, I'm using the test coupon and redeem that. And it was a $11 coupon, and you guys can see it gave us $11 discount. Now let's just put the sum. Okay, now we have filled this and just continue. We have to put the card credential here. I have used Stripe here. Any future date, and okay, let's submit. And now you will see your order was successful. Amazing. We will go to here in the admin side, and if we see our orders, then you can see we have placed an order here. Just order, not delivered, not received, no refund, refund granted or something. And the addresses are here all, and the payment and the coupon as well we used. Okay, well then, well, that's it. Yeah, one more thing. We can search shops by their categories. In my case, if I want to search others, and there is a shop which the name of subscriber, and there we go. And we can even search things like, in my case, I guess plant. And yeah, sorry, I put the title wrong title. It should be plant, not hat. Uh, that's it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.